guys. Actually, I was just wrapping up one video and the mailman came and I got another box. This is from Heaven Sent Treasure Candle from Shauna, and I'm very excited about this. She's always so generous with tarts and stuff. I have 2 candles in here, and these, oh, they're heavy. These are my favorite boxes. They are just beautiful. I love, love, love these packaging. I say it every time I do one of her videos, but it's true. I love them so much. Okay, so I got one. And just because they have some tape on them, so I just want to get them open first, which I should have brought my knife over here, but I did not, so sorry. Oh no, I ruined the box a little bit. Oh no. Oh my goodness, they are massive. Look at that. Look at that color. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Look at the color of that. This is huge. Oh, well, I just got it, and I believe the you know, through shipping, it kind of melted a little bit, but that's okay. I can clean it off. That's no big deal. So I'll try not to drop it because it's very slippery right now, but it's in pear berry. Wow. This is a very, very nice scent. That is very nice. And look at the size of this thing. It's huge. Oh my God. This is the other candle. Now, if you'll notice, this candle is black. And it's black for a reason. Its actually scent is orange blossom, but if you can see, the candle is black. And there is a reason for that, and that's because this candle, this candle is a part of her Black Series line, so somewhere in here is a black gold ring. I don't even know. I'm so excited. Like, first off, this smells amazing. I'm gonna be honest with you, it smells like, to me, like an orange game. It's really, really like citrusy but fresh. Oh man. Oh, very, the size of these things. Look at them. They're huge. Like, I mean, I got tiny hands to begin with, but they're huge. So, all right. So that's the 2 candles. We have a tart. This one is no jewelry. This is a sample. A sample. Sample. Okay. In peanut butter cookie. Now, I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter. My boys love peanut butter. But oh my God, yeah, that is very strong on the peanut butter. That is not bad, actually. Not bad. What else we got? If I'm not mistaken, this is her, this is her new thing. It's the first time I'm getting one, so I'm very excited for this. This is her Scraptaculous flower. Like a kind of like a waste no wax. And these 3 scents, the red is red apple, white lilac and aloe, and mint chocolate chip. That is definitely mint chocolate chip. Wow, that's actually really good. Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. Again, sample. Look how huge it is. She's always been so generous with everything that she's ever sent me with samples and excuse me. Okay. These 3 are jewelry tarts. This one is in Cotton-Headed Ninny Muggin. I think that scent name is hilarious. I don't even remember the scent description. I just love the name. Oh, it got a little smushed. I can't really tell what it is. It kind of got smushed a little bit. Oh, that's very nice. That is very nice. Oh, wow. I'm very happy that I actually picked that one. It's very nice. This, you know what, this one looks easier to open. This one is an Aspen Winter. And I love that about her company is that she never, just because it's summer, like you can order winter scents or fall scents, or she never takes anything off her scent list. So if you want something that's wintry for summer, you can order it from her. Oh, there's a little lizard on there. I don't know if you can see it pretty good. See the lizard? It's a beautiful blue. It's exactly what I would close my eyes and imagine Christmas. Yes. This is very nice. They feel like Christmas. Alright, so I got one more. This one's wrapped kind of tightly, so I'm sorry if I struggle for a minute. Oh yeah, that's really tight. Okay. Ooh, ouch. Okay. Ooh, okay. I just want to read the name before I pull it out. Oh, I can't see the name. Oh, I believe this was Amaretto. And this is a huge tart. Oh my god. It's the shape of a paw. For my pain in the butt cats. Ooh. Oh my god. Shauna, you've outdone yourself. Like, I mean, every time I get something from Heaven Sent, I'm never, ever, ever disappointed. Even scents that I'm not a big fan of, and maybe I will send it if I'm doing a swap or something, or if I'm doing a random act of kindness shipment. If I'm not fond of it, I like to cut the tarts in half because they're so big, and I like to send them out because I'd like other people to, maybe it's their cup of tea when it's not mine. But I think everything here is gonna be mine. Everything smells pretty, even the peanut butter, which I'm a little weirded out about because I'm really not into peanut butter. But that actually smells, my boys will love that. I mean, just, there's just so much. She's so generous. I mean, the tarts are huge. I mean, her prices, when you look at her prices and you look at these tarts, you try to put 2 and 2 together, but Shauna works her magic. Ooh, it's my new favorite. That smells so good. So I got all these. I got my candles, which unfortunately my green one might have to go. I'm going to put this one actually in the refrigerator. It looks like, you know, probably the post office. It's very hot outside. So I might put, I think that's why my other purple tart, like, I don't even know what it is because I can't see it. It's smushed. So I'm going to put these in the refrigerator just to get them back to where they're supposed to be. But everything smells amazing. Please, don't hesitate. Heaven Sent Treasure Candles. I mean, this is probably like, I think my 3rd or 4th package from her. And never, ever, ever have I been disappointed. Not even where her jewelry is beautiful. I am a huge fan of her scents, her jewelry, and her packaging. I love this. I mean, I'm a sucker for packaging. But these boxes just, they are my favorite. I love them so much. So thank you, Heaven Sent Treasure Candles. Thank you, Shauna, for another amazing, glorious order. I will get these in the refrigerator now, so they don't get any ruined. Oh, so don't get any ruined. Hear me? So they don't get more ruined. And I will be back with pictures and reviews of everything. Which honestly, I think everything's gonna be a great review anyway. So see you guys later. And I think I'm done for the day. I don't think I'm doing any more videos. So see you guys next time. All right.